Well, welcome to my channel, and for those of you that saw the video where I was cutting knots and saw my muffler fly off, here's what happened. The mounting part of the muffler actually cracked loose and broke because these two screws had fallen out. So it was just hanging by these two, and it actually cracked and broke this piece off. So I had my son take it into shop at the high school and got it welded up pretty good. There's no cracks or anything, but it's not flat. So we're gonna see if we can get it flat enough to get mounted on the saw with a new gasket, and then see if we can get her fixed. So bear with me here. But I did check. One problem is that I can't get it flat against the side of the grinding wheel with my guard on, so I'm gonna have to take that off. Put that aside so I don't lose my screws. Alright, well, with that off, and get right up there. Get the paper out of here. Alright, well, let's see if we can get her ground down flat. Well, we're getting shiny just about all the way across. Yeah, there we go. Getting there. Well, she's pretty well flat all the way across. It is a little bit thin on the sides, but I'm gonna put her together and see what'll happen. We'll put a new gasket on it and go from there. I think it'll seal up all right. At least get it running. I don't use this saw a whole lot just due to the fact that I got my big saw, and that's the one I use for the most part. This one's more or less just my backup. Cut me out if I get in a bind. I'll order a new muffler for it here the next few days, and I've had this saw. Bought the saw new in 2011. I'm going to show you what the piston looks like. Let's see if I can get this right so that kind of tough. There we go. How's that? Kind of getting the shadow in the way, but looks pretty good for an old saw. These gaskets, I got these gaskets from old Ryan down there in Colorado at the Wolf Creek Saw Shop. He hooked me up. Man, that guy's right on it. Pretty nice. Thanks, Ryan. If you're ever watching this, I doubt he will, but. And I got 2 gaskets just in case. Need one for the future. Not a bad idea for what they cost, and had to pay shipping on them anyway, so shipping was more than what they cost. Alright, so I think we'll be good. I have one. Let's see. Yeah, I do. Just a minute. All right. Well, these things are a pain in the butt. You found in there. I need to invest in some good T-handle hex wrenches. But this will work for this one. I'm sure Harvey and Bayou Country Power Saws are laughing at me right now, but this is what I got. So Jeremy Bell, probably wondering what the heck I'm doing.
What's your emergency? Yeah, my wife got attacked by a warthog real bad, and I need someone to
Of course,
come
my
up with
phone's
an
got to go
ambulance
off.
to pick her up. Okay, sir. Can you give me your address? Yeah, we're at 1825 Eucalyptus Drive. Okay, could you spell that for me, sir? I'm gonna drag her on over to Oak Street, and you can pick her up there.
I've loved that ringtone for a while. That's funny. Alright, these are the ones that came out that messed the whole thing up to begin with. I'll get these back in tight. I'll have to remember to check these every once in a while. So I was riding around the back of the truck, and I got to go into the mountains to get firewood. So you're looking at 30 miles of dirt, bumpy roads. Some of you've seen some of the videos of me traveling up there to get wood. Most of it's not too bad, but it does have quite a few washboards and just areas that are pretty, got a lot of vibration to them. Probably just bounced them out and running it. Alright. Well, let's see what she sounds like. My ears are a little bad, but I did have Bayou Country Power, so I was watched that video and he could hear the exhaust leaks when it started to come off. So we'll fire her up and see how she sounds. Well, I think that's a wrap. Pretty good. I did notice my dogs are a little loose. I'll take my bar off and tighten that up. But got my exhaust back on. So, and I'll do another cutting video on the knotty wood. Anyway, thanks for watching. Check out some of the videos here on the end screen if you don't mind. Subscribe would be great. Like all the videos if you don't mind, and share them with some friends if you don't, if you like them. Anyway, thanks. Have a good day. Bye.